Okay, same thing. Rate, hold down control, listening barriers. Okay. Under using control, apply the heading styles too. On heading styles too. Whoa, what? Make sure I always select the paragraph headings, rate, and listening barriers. Okay. Let's give this a try again. Rate, listening barriers, heading style 2. Interesting. Well, not sure what they want. Wonder if it's just rate. They don't want the period. Heading. Oh. Heading style 2. Heading 2. Not sure what else they wanted on that, but go ahead and do the heading style 2, just like that with the control. Not sure on 6 what they wanted. Okay. All right.